Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a few moments to check out my video today. And gosh, I want to present to you this really incredible online marketing suite, online marketing tools, and solutions for people who have a desire to make money online. This really is an incredible marketing system, low cost, okay, and man, you can do so much with this marketing suite, okay? And as you can see here, it says, hi, it's Terry Brown with a question for you. Are you ready to start a new business online or use our tools and marketing system to build your existing business and stand out from the rest? And that's really what it's all about. It's about having a system that is a business within itself. But if you got a business, you want to market your business more effectively, more efficiently, then this is a system that you can use. I've got a thought before I move forward, and the thought is this: a year from now, you may wish you had started today. A year from now, you may wish you had started today. Okay, so let me just share a few more things with you about this program, and then we're going to get out of here. Okay, so stay with me for the next few moments. Okay. Okay, so what I want to do is just share, and this is another part of the page that we were just looking at. And as you can see, it says recommended by who? Terry Brown, that's me. Okay. The Build a Biz Online affiliate marketing system has been put together over the last 15 years by the owner, Ian, using his own personal online marketing experience and listening to other program owners, but more importantly, listening to his customers to find out what they needed to build a successful business online. Although Build a Biz Online was initially built to provide affiliate marketers with all the tools they need to promote other affiliate programs, we now provide our customers with over 24 tools and web hosting to showcase their online business. Our service can be used for those who just need a website for their business. By becoming a member of our program, you will be in a unique position to provide other online marketers with all the tools and training below, tools they need to successfully build their own online business. Okay, tools like Cpanel hosting or Ready Built Blog, an autoresponder program with unlimited campaigns and subscribers. Share your campaign with others. The ability to do that. This is absolutely incredible. Okay, unlimited pro splash and capture page builder, URL cloakers, trackers, branders, and shorteners. And there's so much more with this program. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link to a page that I just kind of put together with this program. And on that page, there's going to be some other things there. Okay, a couple of other things there, but you'll see a link that you can click on, and that's going to bring you to what you're looking at right now. Okay, so make sure that you grab the link in the description of this video. Look for Build a Biz Online. When you get to the page, click that link. There's going to be a link there for Build a Biz, and you're going to come to this page, and it's going to bring you to this page. Okay, and you'll be able to play this video here, and you'll be able to look around and see this powerful, low-cost marketing system that you can use to build any business online. Okay, but there you have it. I'm Terry Brown, and I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Now, before I close, just one other thought. Just keep in mind that you will be sent to a page if you grab the link where you can come here to this page and you can check things out. Okay, now well, I did say one other thought, but I've got one other thought right here, and that is, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I drop another video. I'm going to share a lot of information, a lot of wonderful things with you, so be sure that you do that. Again, I want to thank you so much. Wish you a blessed and wonderful and magnificent day today. Bye-bye now.